lot with Atlantis because they said it's important for us to know about. There were many, many civilizations that went to the height. We can't even imagine what they were at. We're nowhere near the way they developed. Atlantis was one of them that went to the pinnacle. They were able to do things with their minds that we can't even imagine. The civilization of Atlantis existed for thousands of years, and it was the entire world. It was not just an island out there. There was huge, beautiful cities, and then there were also natives and jungles. So they had it just like they have today. But the ones in the cities had learned how to use their minds to such a degree that they could do anything with it. They could mold stone and move stone. This is where the pyramids and everything were developed later, were by the survivors of Atlantis who still carried the knowledge of how this